Hello guys, welcome to SMC trading course. Hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you the TradingView setup. There are many features in TradingView which you could use, but keep it simple and clean, and don't use too much of tools and complicate your trading charts. So keep it simple and neat and clean. So now I'm going to show you the settings and the basic setups which you must know. So now if I go to charts, so first here you could see the name of the stock that you are trading. Here you could see the full name of it, the time frame, and here NSE is the National Stock Exchange, and here it's the bid and the ask price. Next we come to the time frames. These are generally the time frames that we use. Start all the time frames that you need the most and the time frames that you use for your trading. And next, these are the type of candles which you could use. These are generally the line and the bar candles. And next we come to indicators. Generally in SMC you don't need indicators. These are for the retail traders. Here and here is the replay button. This will help you to backtest on your chart. So you can mark your positions and backtest with these buttons. Here you could see that if I'm going to replay from this point, and if I mark the long and short positions here, I'm going to play my chart with the speed which is generally convenient to me. It might be 1x, 3x, 5x, or even slower than that. And next it will play like this. Next comes the forward, and here is the jump to. The jump to helps to move back to the point where I want to go, and this is generally the replay button here. I'm exiting this. This is the layout which you use. And next here is the settings, which is very important. Here is the symbols, and from here I can change the color of my candles, and this is the only important thing here. And if you're going to change any of the setups, you can do it accordingly. These are generally not very important, but if you want, you can do that. And next we come to all the tools that we use. Generally we use cross, and next comes this tool. Generally we use trend line, arrow, horizontal ray, and parallel channel. Parallel channel is not much important, but you can use it in some cases. So trend line, these are generally used to draw these lines here. Next we come to arrow. This helps to mark like this. And next is the horizontal ray. What horizontal ray is that if you drag this horizontal ray up to here, it will mark from this point to the rightmost point. So it will go infinitely to the right. This is the use of the horizontal ray. And next comes the parallel channel. So you can use this to mark the trend of the market like this. So this is it. And next we come to brush. Brush will help you mark like this. So if I'm going to mark this low, this high, this low, this high. So this is it. Nothing much important about this. Next we come to rectangle. This is very important to mark the order blocks. And then comes ellipse. What ellipse does is that would mark this as low. It means the circles, but according to your style. And this is the path which I use for marking the market structure. Generally what you do is that to end this path, you have to double click it. This is it, nothing more than that. And from here you don't need much of these patterns. Here the most important things are the long and the short position. These positions are very important, very important. So like this you use it. You're going to hold like this. You're going to put your stop loss, take profit levels, and do according to your wish. Same is the case for short position. You have to do this like this. And next, these are the symbols. This is the magnet. This is very important while marking the order blocks. So if you're going to mark the order blocks, say for like this, I'm going to mark this order block perfectly. So what this magnet does is that while you're moving like this, restricts your movement and fixes your point. So it helps a lot. You can use this magnet, but you can do it manually too. Next we come to fib retracement. This is what the fib retracement is, and mark all these important fib levels that I use, and these levels are very important for Indian stocks. And next, this is the gun box. This is very important while marking 50% level. And for this gun box, this is the settings that I use: 0, 0.5, and 1. These are the price levels, and these are the time levels, that is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. You don't need the middle time frame here, but for price levels, you need the 50% level. So you can mark this at 0.5. Next we come to text. You can write anything you want, and background, border, anything, whatever you wish. And there are various things which you could use according to your convenience. Generally I don't use much, but you can use according to your wish. And next here we come to these charts. Here I generally trade on Nifty 500 and FNO stocks, and these are the lists which I create. Blue list are the trades that I've given, green list are all the marked lists that I'm going to give you. So this is it, nothing more and nothing less. You don't need much of this. You can set generally the alerts like this. You move your cursor to this plus here. Here you can see this plus and add alert, and from here you could set your alert only once every time, whatever you wish. And the style, crossing up, crossing down, greater than, less than, whatever you wish. The price point you can set it manually here and save. And if you want to delete this alarm, you can delete it from here. Yes, so it's gone. So this is it. This is the end of this video, and now moving on to the next video.